Yep, today is April 5th, 2025, Saturday, and we're hiking with Serene in the Banzan Lake area. And we decided to go hike to the right, uphill. I forgot what the trail name is. And anyway, we started quarter to noon or something, 15 to noon. Now it's 4:30. In a few minutes we will be going back. And this is our final destination, viewpoint. It has a name, but I don't remember what it is. And we came from there, from the snow. Oh, my bag flew away.
This is yours?
Yeah, it's mine, for the nuts.
But it's a kind of dirty, man.
It's okay. I put nuts in there.
No, why? It's okay in this. You mean the...
Yeah, that's okay. Anyway, we have to get ready. April 5th, 2025, Saturday.